gėrimais prekiaujame iki 22 valandos.
Fight at windmills. That's how alcohol control could be called in Lithuania. As this Baltic state is the second on the list of alcohol consumption in the European Union, Lithuanian parliament passed several laws to do with the situation. New amendment to alcohol control has been adopted in January 2009, which banned the sale of alcohol from 10 in the evening until 8 in the morning. These rules made a strong hit at the alcohol industry. The Lithuania's biggest producer of alcoholic drinks, Stumbras, had temporarily stopped its production after decrease of alcohol sales. Another company, Alita, informed that they are going to stand off around 25–30% of employees. Supermarkets network Maxima decided to close doors of almost all the night shopping centers and cut working hours. The president of the Association of Alcohol Producers, Laurynas Vilimas, says that ban of alcohol sales cannot solve the problem.
Akivaizdu, kad uždraudus naktinę prekybą žmonės ieškos kur kitur įsigyti. Ir tai dažniausiai yra nelegalūs taškai, ar tie patys taksistai, ar tos pačios vadinamos bobučių verslas ir panašiai. Tai šiame visame procese pralaimi tik tais verslas ir valstybė, nes verslas neparduoda legalios produkcijos, valstybė nesurenka labai didelių sumų mokesčių.
For the first time, alcohol consumption has decreased since Lithuanian independence in 1990. According to the State Tobacco and Alcohol Service, people bought 9% less alcoholic drinks in 2008 than during a year before. Most of Lithuanians support the ban of alcohol sale.
Yra žmonių, kurie geria ir paskui 12 valandą antrą sugalvoja nueiti nusipirkti. Ir paskui, pavyzdžiui, būna rajonas, ten būna visokios muštynės, tai toliau būna visokių nesąmonių. Tai realiai, tai jeigu žmogus planavo gerti, tai susitvarka iš anksto. Jeigu neplanavo, tai reiškia, nereikia.
The next step of parliamentarians is to ban taking out of alcoholic drinks after 10 at night from restaurants, bars and other public places. Even being criticized for ineffective laws, the Lithuanian parliament continues its sobering policy.